Hi, this is Owen from Clubmate. For this video, we'll be logging in as a member and taking a look at how to make a booking via the member portal. I've already logged in as Fred, and as you can see, I have an active adult membership, and below this is a display of the club's diary. I can switch to a different view by clicking here. Now to go ahead and book, I just need to choose which activity I wish to attend and then click book. Now dependent upon the logic created for that activity, I will then be advised whether this forms part of my membership plan or whether I need to purchase a product to gain access. For example, Fred's current membership plan gives him free access to home matches, so if I click here, it will allow me to go ahead and book without any payment. It also now shows as booked, and Fred will receive an email confirming his place at the match automatically. Alternatively, if Fred wanted a day ticket, which does not come free as part of the membership, then I'll be prompted to make that purchase by adding my card details. I'm not going to do that now, but it would be processed in real time and a receipt emailed directly to Fred's email address. Now going back to the original home match booking, you can now see an option for Fred to cancel. Should he no longer wish to attend or can no longer attend, he could just click cancel. This will automatically send Fred a cancellation email whilst also updating your records within Clubmate.